How to create a group email in Gmail. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to create group email in Gmail. Without further ado, let's get started. Navigate to search bar on your browser and type in www.gmail.com and hit enter on your keyboard. Make sure you sign in to your account. Now navigate to this Google Apps icon at top right corner and find contacts. Click on Contacts and open it. Now you simply need to click on Label at bottom left corner of your screen and click the plus button. Here add your new label name, suppose Friends, and click on the Save button. Once done, select particular email address which you want to add in a group email. And here you need to choose your label. And once done, you need to do the same for other as well. Now you can easily close the contact section and you can compose an email and send it to your college group label email. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.